When you get your tropical acai, organic acai sorbet that is scoopable pail, you'll first want to break the seal with a sharp instrument, like so. Then you'll want to screw off the lid. You'll want to keep it at about 20 to 25 degrees Fahrenheit, which is an ideal temperature for scooping, and it'll be at nice consistency like this. Now, there are 3 different ways you can use it. Number 1, you can grab a scooper and serve. You can scoop out about 7 ounces of product and then smooth it out on the bottom here, nice and smooth. This is a 16-ounce bowl that we're using. You're going to want to add your toppings. You can use your fresh fruit, your granola, and it's ready to eat. Number 2, you can scoop it out and put it in a blender. Now you can add your favorite fruits and juices and such, and then blend, and you'll have a beautiful acai smoothie. Number 3, you can thaw this product out until it's completely liquid, and then once it's in that state, you can pour it into a frozen beverage machine or a Brulin soft serve machine. I'm Mickey with Tropical Açaí.